Hey, I'm Marissa. Let's draw a gumball machine together. The first step we're going to take is to draw the top of the gumball machine, which is just a curve, and then curve, curve, curve all the way around, just like this. And then once you have that, we're going to make a big top all the way up and to the other side. Now we're going to draw a line that goes in like this. Another one. Perfect. Leave a space for the glass part of your gumball machine and then go to right about here maybe. And then we're going to start to make a line that goes out just like that. Now curve it and follow that line and curve it back around. There we go. Now let's make the glass part of the gumball machine. It's just a curve that goes out and try to touch right about there. On the other side, curve out and then try to touch again. There we go. Now let's start about here and then we're going to go out and down. Same thing on the other side. We're going to go out and down. Stop about the same size as the other side. And once you have that, we're going to curve around with a straight line and curve the corner. There we go. Let's draw a straight line across. I like it. Now we're going to draw a rectangle in the middle. So draw your best rectangle. Mine looks like this. And then we're going to make a circle for the coin slot here. There's my circle. And then draw a line and another line. Now we're going to put another line out. And here's where your gumball comes out of. We can't have our gumball machine without some gumballs. So let's start making some. We're going to make a bunch of gumballs. Some are going to be popping out of the bottom, so it's not going to be a perfect circle, just like that. Now, some of them are going to be layered on top of each other. Again, not a perfect circle. It kind of goes behind it. So start making your gumballs however many you want. Mine's going to go like this. I'm going to put one around just like that. Maybe one's hiding behind here. I'm going to make one just sitting on top. Just like that. Another one's going to be sitting right here. I'm going to make one sticking out from the back. And then maybe a couple more right here. There's one. And I will stick one more right there. Now you can leave it like this, add as many gumballs, you can go all the way to the top, or you can draw a face. I'm going to draw one. It's going to be a circle, big circle, and then another circle on the other side, big circle. I'm going to draw a circle in the middle of that one, another circle in the middle of this one, and then I'm going to draw a curve and then another curve. There we go. And then you can color the inside of this black and keep that one white or whatever you want, gray. It's up to you. I'm going to draw a face. Mine's going to be a curve around and up, down, up again. And then I'm going to curve it off just like that. Looks good. Let's color it in. Here we have our gumball machine. I hoped you enjoyed drawing with me. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe for brand new drawings. I will see you next time. Bye.